Have you ever wondered how your dinner plate could play a role in combating climate change? The answer lies in plant-based meals. Not only do they provide a plethora of health benefits, but they also have a significantly lower impact on our planet than meals based on animal products. So how can you start integrating plant-based meals into your daily life? It's simpler than you might think. Let's delve into a step-by-step guide to preparing a delicious and sustainable plant-based meal. First, gather all the ingredients. Make sure to include a rich variety of vegetables, fruits, grains, and legumes in your shopping list. These are the building blocks of your plant-based meal. Next, prepare the ingredients. Wash all fruits and vegetables thoroughly and chop them to your desired size. Cook grains and legumes as per the instructions on the packaging. Once everything is prepared, it's time to cook. Try experimenting with different cooking methods like steaming, roasting, or sautéing. Add your favorite herbs and spices for an extra burst of flavor. After all the cooking, it's time to plate your meal. Arrange the components in a visually pleasing manner to make the meal even more appetizing. Remember, we eat with our eyes first. Finally, enjoy your meal. Savor the different flavors and textures. Appreciate the effort you've put into preparing this sustainable and nutritious meal. So, what have we learned today? Plant-based meals are an excellent way to reduce our carbon footprint and combat climate change. They are nutritious, flavorful, and surprisingly easy to prepare. All it takes is a bit of planning, some cooking, and a lot of enjoyment. Remember, the journey to a sustainable lifestyle doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process of making better choices every day. So start with one plant-based meal a week, then gradually increase the frequency. Soon enough, you'll be reaping the benefits of a plant-based lifestyle, and so will our planet. Embrace the power of plant-based meals and play your part in creating a sustainable future for all. After all, every meal is a step towards a healthier planet.